Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn that how to download Power BI. So first of all come on Google and type Power BI download. After that come on the first website and click on it and scroll down and click on the button download, and after clicking on it the download will start, and after the completion of the download you just simply have to install it. Okay, so after completing the download, come into the download section. Okay, so here you can see that the Power BI desktop setup is downloaded. Now click on it. Okay, so from here you can choose your language. So I am selecting English. Click on button next. Now click on button next. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next. Here you can choose the directory where you want to save. So I am changing it. You can change it according to your preference. Okay, click on button next and create a desktop shortcut. So it will create a desktop shortcut. Okay, and click on button next and install. Now the download and installation is completed. Click on the finish button